So for a long time now, I really wanted the Rami Kadi colorful bead dress. Unfortunately, it doesn't sell them, and if it did sell, it's probably way over my budget. So instead I decided to approach the best seamstress I know, my grandma. And together we started the project of making our own Rami Kadi inspired dress with lots of colorful applications of themes I like. Since I have no skill in sewing, I only come with the design I like and the overall idea, and all of the measuring, cutting and sewing did my talented grandma.
But you said
We first used a template for the dress, but then improvised and changed it a bit. I wanted my dress to be shorter, also with a smaller cleavage, and also I didn't want the sleeve to be attached to the dress in case it's gonna be too hot and I wanted to go sleeveless. We choose white soft fabric instead of the see-through one of the original dress, so I feel more comfortable wearing it. When we finally finished with the dress, it was time to connect the 100 application I ordered. This cute box that I ordered, so I have some gorgeous and pink patches.
but you had to go. Now I carry the load to call.
I first attached them to the dress with needles.
See how
So I organized the dress, but as you can see, I'm still missing plenty of patches because I only did one side, and that's what I have left with.
But you said the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for
You like my dress? Yeah. Which side you like more? This one or this one? This one? אי אפשר לערוך כאן. אפשר לשים כאן?
לא, כאן.
אוקיי.
what is loving anymore?
We had to iron them, so we had to take everything down and then iron one by one just to find out that the ironing glue is not strong enough. So we had to think on a different idea.
But you said the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I don't believe.
Since I don't know how to sew, I improvised by using a glue, which I don't recommend, and not to the liking of my grandma. She already worked so hard on the dress, so I wanted to spare the time sewing one by one to the dress. My grandma is a perfectionist, so of course she didn't like it and she sewed them anyway. And my advice, don't use glue since it's hardened and make the dress stiff, plus it can leave some stains. After around 8 months of working, mostly of my grandma, it was finally done, and here is the final result. So of course it doesn't look exactly like the Rami Kadi dress. It would take us years to draw each application with beads by hand, but I do like how it turned out. When I wore it for the first time, it was definitely an eye-catcher, like a colorful candy, and a lot of people come and ask me about the dress. And it also was a really fun and cool project to do with my grandma. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye for now!